Hello everyone, I am Sumit Narayan EC BTech from Manipal Institute of Technology. For last few weeks, I have been working on a project which is a smart agriculture system using IoT. This project can monitor soil moisture and climatic conditions to grow and yield a good crop. The farmers can also get the real-time weather forecasting data by using Open Weather API. Farmer is provided a web app using which he can monitor the temperature, humidity, and soil moisture parameters, along with weather forecasting details. Based on all the parameters, he can water his crop by controlling the motors using the web app. Even if the farmer is not present near his farm, he can water his crop by controlling the motors using the web application from anywhere. Here we are using the online IoT simulator for getting the temperature, humidity and soil moisture values of the farm. This project is given to me by Smart Interns in association with IBM. This is my Smart Interns dashboard. Here I have this internship titled Smart Agriculture System based on IoT. Here we are given mental instruction as to how we have to complete the project. This tab shows all the steps that we have to do within the project. Each tab has its own instruction and resources to help us to complete that respective task. This Git repository contains all the files and source code of the project in addition with project scope and project report. In this project, I have created a device in IBM Watson IoT platform. Here you can see I have a device which is in disconnected state. I need to connect this device to the simulator sensor. So here I will write the credentials of my device. And now my device is connected to the simulator sensor. For this project, I have used Node-RED to wire together all the devices and components and to build a web app. This is my flow in the Node-RED to receive data from simulator, to receive data from OpenWeather API, and to connect motor and light bulb using the web application. Moving toward the working part, here is my web application that I have designed. Clicking this will take us to the home menu where user can select what he wants to use. Simulator tab contains the data received from the IoT sensor simulator. Here you can see current temperature, humidity and soil moisture as well as values of last 1 hour. This is the IoT simulator that I have connected to my device. Changing the values in the simulator instantly updates the value displayed here. Open Weather tab contains the real-time weather data of the farm. Here, I am showing the data of my home, but user can change the location easily using API key. Moving to the Control tab, here user can send commands to the application using these buttons. On clicking Motor on command is sent, and so on. I have written a Python code to retrieve the commands sent through the web app. On executing this code, device is connected successfully. Now, any command that has been sent from the web app will be received here. Here you can see clicking on motor on sends the command to turn motor on, and so on. Sending command from web app to application follows MQTT protocol. Using this web app, farmer can control the motors and light bulb on his farm from anywhere. So, this was a smart agriculture system using IoT.